Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a quick dive into Ruby, a powerful programming language that's known for its simplicity and elegance. So, what is Ruby? Ruby is an open-source programming language created by Yukihiro Matsumoto in the mid-1990s. It's designed to make programming not only productive, but also fun by focusing on simplicity and readability. Ruby's elegant syntax makes it easy to write and understand, even for beginners. But don't be fooled. Ruby is incredibly powerful and flexible, allowing developers to solve complex problems quickly. Now, where is Ruby used? Ruby is best known for powering Ruby on Rails, a popular web development framework that has helped launch websites like GitHub, Airbnb, and Shopify. Beyond web development, Ruby is used for automation, data processing, and even DevOps scripting. So, what does the future look like for Ruby? Although newer languages are emerging, Ruby continues to thrive, especially with the ongoing evolution of Ruby on Rails. With its dedicated community and modern development tools, Ruby is set to remain a strong choice for web developers. Whether you're just getting started in programming or you're building web apps, Ruby is a great language to learn thanks to its friendly syntax and powerful features. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming content. See you in the next one.